Hello everybody, welcome back. Tropical update number 23 on Tropical Storm Elsa, currently located over North Carolina, making its way into Virginia later today before coming out to sea over the Chesapeake Bay and then into parts of the mid-Atlantic, Northeast, and New England before becoming non-tropical. Here's a look at the current satellite image for Elsa and all those watches and warnings in effect. There are no tropical storm watches, but all of the tropical storm watches yesterday have been now upgraded to a tropical storm warning. The only addition is that in the end point of the tropical storm warning from New Haven, Connecticut, is now Merrimack, Massachusetts. So that's how that's looking. But again, all of those bays and sounds and large rivers throughout the northeastern coast of the United States have tropical storm warnings in effect. If we take a look at the radar presentation of the storm, clearly the rainy weather remains the north and east of the storm center. No real surprise there, especially given Elsa's presentation. I mean, basically its whole life cycle, so nothing too crazy there, but just something to look at there. Seeing lots of rain falling over, especially eastern North Carolina right now. And tropical storm force winds are possible throughout the area as early as tomorrow early morning in New York City, and we could see it affect Nova Scotia as early as Friday night. The reason I'm showing this again is because tropical storm force winds odds have almost doubled since last night for much of the east coast of the United States. So that is notable, hence why also that tropical storm warning is now in effect all the way again up through Massachusetts. Previously only went about to Cape Cod, that tropical storm watch did last night. Now it goes all the way up, almost if not all the way to the Massachusetts-New Hampshire border. So that's always fun. We take a look at rainfall. We're looking at 2 to 4 inches, isolated to 6 from eastern North Carolina northward. So lots of significant rain, risk of flash flooding, of course, with these storms as well. Tornadoes are also possible. Tornado watch remains in effect for much of North Carolina this morning. Slight risk of tornadoes today, and that risk will make its way northward as Elsa itself make its way northward. Also, if we take a look at the model guidance for Elsa, we do see that it's going to remain relatively the same strength, perhaps strengthen a little bit over the next day or two before becoming a bit weaker and moving on with its life. As a result, as this continues to affect the United States and those tropical storm warnings remain in effect, I'll have another update out tonight and another one, the final one on Elsa, out tomorrow morning. It's also worth noting that there is a non-zero chance, however near zero chance there of a formation of a storm off the coast of Texas. It'll move inland very quickly, but nonetheless, that is something we're keeping our eyes on. Probably not going to develop. If those odds increase, I'll include it in a future update. That's all for now. Chris Sixton for Other Catholic Media.